Welcome everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terra Fashionable. And in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you how I got this bombshell look. So here one now, let us jump right into it. And this video was sponsored by Wigmy. And in the packaging, I received these goodies: eyelash, edge scarf, elastic band, a spray bottle, and a dust bag. This is a new blonde, but I'ma call her Olivia. She's a 20-inch body weight frontal wig with a density of 150, and the color is mixed with number 4 and 27 that give it that highlighted look. And everything is done except for bleaching the knots. I went ahead and bleached the knots, and this is how it's looking. Be doing a ball cap method, and I'm using the hairspray to push all my hair back because girl don't want to cut off our edges. Hairspray with the blow dryer and the tail comb to set the stocking cap. And after that, I'm gonna be using the scissors to cut it to my hairline shape. Going back in it with the hairspray and move the end fast because it will slide back. And I use the elastic band to give it that extra flatness. Need a clean surface, so I'm using the alcohol for that. So I think I got myself a guideline because I don't know why this spot don't leave me alone. Now I'm using the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond glue and guiding the glue along my hairline and making it transfer over to the stocking cap. If you're doing more than one coat, make sure that each coat dry before applying another coat. I was in a rush, right? And I completely forget to put on my foundation first before applying the glue, and also apply it to the wig as well. Laying down the frontal, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna be using the tail comb to press the lace into my skin and using the blow dryer. Now Olivia is fully on board and she ain't going nowhere until a couple days. Parting out my hairline and customizing it to my hairline shape because you know we're going for that realistic look, and this is optional. You don't have to do this, but you know, girl know what she wants and what she likes, so a tweezer to remove the thick density that I just created, and you don't have to overplug. The frontal is a 13 by 4 and it's true to measurement. Using the scissors to cut off the extra lace that is not needed, and you already know you cut that in a zigzag motion. Using the alcohol to remove the glue that didn't make it on the lace. Tapping some Ebin hairspray on the lace, and this will fix any part that is lifting. Using the elastic band to give it that seamless look, and I'm also gonna be giving the hair a quick run through by pressing it out. And now that I'm finished pressing out the hair, I'll be removing the elastic band. I'm gonna be putting the hair to the side, like giving it a side part, no part type of vibe. So I will be using the hairspray and the pressing comb to finesse it. Parting out my adult hair and chopping it down to baby stage, and I'm using the razor comb for that. Curling up the baby hair, and I wasn't gonna mold it enough, but I ended up doing it, and I used the Nairobi and little gel to mold it. Way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things, I got everything. using the edge scarf to set the products. Then curling up Olivia going backwards. Using the edge tamer stick to control the loose air, and using the pressing comb to get everything on flat. I can say the highlights is really giving, and I do love this hair. So I'm only gonna brush out one side of my baby hair and use some oil for some sheen. And the look is completed. Guys, all the information for Olivia I will link down below. You can click on the link and it will take you right to Wigmy website. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah. My heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a